Hi everybody. So in this video, we'll be talking about TMUA, which is the test of mathematics for university admission, which is mostly there for the universities in UK. It is conducted by University of Cambridge. Okay, so let's talk about in this video, I'll be telling you briefly about how you have to prepare for it. Okay, what all things you'll require, what would be its timing, and for which university it is there, the TMUA. Okay, so first of all, the purpose of this examination is to evaluate the purpose of this examination is to evaluate an applicant's readiness for maths heavy degree courses, right? So mainly you'll be getting admission in economics, right? Or any technical degree you'll be having, okay? Or any computer science degree you'll be having, you'll be getting admission through this exam, right? Now, which university use this TMUA? It's the University of Warwick, University of Cambridge, University of Bath, Nottingham, Lancaster University, Cardiff University. These all the university which uses TMUA for their admissions. Okay. Now, obviously it is conducted in October or September. Right now, this is the most important part here. What is the exam format? So exam will be there will be two papers in your exam, each of 75 minutes. Remember, these both will be your mathematics paper and calculator will not be allowed. Right? There won't be any calculator here. Right? First part is mathematical thinking. Okay, so what will happen here? That there will be no advanced topic of maths like you have calculus, probability, statistics. These all topics won't be there. But yeah, obviously, as I have seen the previous paper, they use them, right? The use of them. But yeah, you can do this part logically. Okay, by putting the values, by eliminating the options. Obviously there would be multiple choice questions, so question will be there from algebra, geometry, basic number theory. But I have seen in the paper they cover up polynomial, everything is there, right? Polynomial, quadratic equation, these type of chapters are there. But yeah, mainly they can be solved with logical reasoning. No higher mathematics like what mathematics you study in A levels, it's not required for this, right? Then second part is that you have mathematical reasoning, right? So here the they themselves are saying that probability, statistics, and simple calculator. So here you'll be requiring. Right now, each paper have 20 questions. Remember, so questions are lengthier type. Okay, so they really take time to do them. So we need to have a good practice for doing them. Okay, so two parts are there, both of them non-calculator, each of 75. Right, question will be lengthier in length. First one is mathematical thinking, where you have to use reasoning and do the maths question, and second one will be involving higher concepts of maths. Right, as you'll watch my video, I'll cover up all of them, and all of the previous paper, all of the content which you'll be need. If you want them, I'll make the video on that. Right now, how your scoring will be there? Scoring will be 1 to 9. Okay, scoring will be there from 1 to 9, and 6.5 or higher is often considered as competitive. Right, so if you get a grade like 6.5 or higher, then it is considered as a competitive. It's a good score, right? But for University of Cambridge or higher university, you need more closer to 9. Okay, so it depends on university and courses, right? So mathematical understanding, I was saying polynomial, equation, inequality, properties of shape, trigonometry, prime, divisibility, modular arithmetic. Obviously more chapters are than this. Okay, and logical deduction, pattern recognition, applying mathematical technique to new problems. Okay, and obviously one question won't be there with a just one topic. Okay, now talking about the registration and fees, right? Student register there through school or test center. Mainly you will be registering online with your school, right? Remember, between September to October this comes, right? And your test typically plays between October or November. Last time it was like 19-20th October. Okay, and 100 to 150 pounds was your test fees. Okay, so this was there about whole TMUA. I'll make all videos regarding all topics as well as how you have to study, and I'll also make them. I have put the link in the description also, right? And here where you can see official website and official things which are there in the website. Okay, how you have to prepare is that first of all, every time you have to solve the practice papers, right? Go with study in the opposite way. Since you guys are there in the A levels, you were already knowing uh, uh, you must already be knowing some topics, so go with the papers, see what types of questions are coming, develop your core concepts, and then uh, you can go ahead, right? Obviously, my videos will also be coming up regarding TMU. Thank you.